Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature 11 bob and pixie hair ideas. First up we have this gorgeous Pixie style. Such a chic look. It also features some beautiful bangs in the front. And then we have this gorgeous mini bob hairstyle. This one features beautiful salt and pepper hair color. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video. And of course, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone styling their hair. She has more of like that Pixie haircut once again. And this has a very pretty asymmetrical shape. And she can wear her hair either curly in its natural state or do a blowout like she's doing here. Next up we have a pixie undercut style. Very pretty. She does have face framing, blonde highlights in the front, gorgeous feathered bangs. Such a chic, fun style. And then here we have this beautiful jaw length bob. This is also known as the mini bob haircut. Followed by this very chic bob, and this one features a center part down the middle. And we have a very chic, cute way to wear your bob hair. And then we have another tousled lob haircut, and this one features beautiful blunt bangs. Followed by another gorgeous Pixie style. Great in-between option of the pixie and the bob haircuts. And then we have this stunning layered bob hairstyle. And then for those of you that have curls, this is a beautiful curly pixie cut. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.